Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Today, I've got an incredible recipe for you that will change the way you enjoy veggie sticks. If you're a fan of snacks and want to try something different but natural, these veggie sticks filled with vegetables are perfect for you. Highly recommended. This is Nutri-Intelligence, let's get started. For these veggie sticks filled with vegetables, we need 1 eggplant, peppers, preferably colorful ones, as each one adds a different flavor. Wash them well, and cut them into small cubes. We'll start with the eggplant, using everything, including the skin. Then, we have kohlrabi, which is a mix between cabbage and turnip, and it has an amazing flavor. Vegetables like kohlrabi, eggplant, asparagus, and peppers are excellent sources of fiber, which helps improve digestion and keep the digestive system healthy. If you can't find kohlrabi, no worries. You can use shredded cabbage instead. Today, we're using the center of the kohlrabi, and you can save the leaves and stems for a stir fry. Here, I have small yellow, green, and purple peppers. We remove the veins and seeds, and cut them into small cubes. Next, we move on to the asparagus. I'm using about half a bunch, around 10 stalks. Now everything is cut up and in the same bowl. The purple pepper, just like the eggplant, contains antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Finally, chop 1 onion into cubes and set it aside. Now let's make the seasoning for the vegetable filling. Heat a pan and add pepper, cumin, and pink salt. Once the pan is hot, pour in a drizzle of your preferred natural oil. When the oil is hot, add the onion along with a pinch of cumin, pepper. You can use doubanjiang paste from Asian stores, and a pinch of pink salt. Mix it with a spatula and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat to avoid burning it. The seasoning should cook until it becomes darker, and then we can add the vegetables so everything blends well. It may look like a lot, but since most of these vegetables have water in them, it will reduce by half. Keep the heat low and stir so everything cooks evenly, making sure the bottom doesn't burn. The vegetables should retain their color, and you can also cover it. After about 10 minutes, it will look like this. Taste it, and if it needs more salt, pepper, or cumin, adjust it. Make sure the vegetables are cooked, then transfer the mixture to a bowl to let it cool. Now we have the wonton wrappers, which can be found in many places. Assembling the veggie sticks is super easy. Use a flat surface or a cutting board. Place a square of wonton dough, add a tablespoon of the cooled vegetable filling. To seal the edges, we have a bowl of water. Use your finger or a brush to moisten the edges, fold both sides, and then press the edges with a fork and a little water. This ensures they stay sealed and the filling won't spill out. Repeat the process, place the filling on a wrapper, moisten the edges, fold, and seal with a fork. We'll use all the dough to make 50 veggie sticks, and we even have some leftover filling. This recipe is perfect for 4 to 5 people. While assembling them, let's prepare the guacamole. Here I have chopped white onion. Remember to rinse it to reduce the strong flavor before mixing it with the other ingredients. We also need 2 ripe avocados, a bunch of fresh cilantro, and 2 limes. Chop the cilantro, mash the avocados, add lime juice and pink salt to taste. You can also add tomato if you like. Now, we're ready to fry the veggie sticks. Heat a pan and add your preferred natural oil. Once the oil is at the right temperature, add the veggie sticks and keep an eye on the heat to prevent them from burning. They cook quickly, so be ready to flip them. They should be golden and crispy. Thanks to sealing them with water and the fork, they won't open up. Some people add egg to the water to make the dough stick, but we've found that just water and the fork are enough. Moving on. And look, our veggie sticks are ready. We made them for a weekend to surprise our guests with something different. They look amazing and have a unique filling that's much healthier, natural, and lighter than meat or cheese. They are warm, and now it's time to try them. Add a bit of guacamole because the lime gives that perfect balance. We were all amazed at how good they taste. Definitely one of our new favorites, such an incredible flavor to share. These veggie-filled vegan sticks are highly recommended. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. This is Nutri-Intelligence. See you next time. Here are some videos you might like.